Hello. This is the new queen cage. I went and picked her up this morning. My teacher went out and got a replacement for me last night. So, there she is. I wish I could tell you which one she is, but they're so close together it would never ever come out on the video. But that is what a queen cage looks like without all of the other bees. The queen is in there and she's being attended by a couple of other bees. They're taking care of her, they're feeding her, they're grooming her. And as you can see, there's a white area to the left. The very left hand circle is filled with a special fondant, which is a sugar candy for the bees. And what I will do later is take that plug out of the end, which will expose the fondant on the outside, and then I will place the queen cage into the hive, and the bees will eat their way in from the outside and out from the inside. And I don't know exactly how long it will take. It's not science, it's nature. But in about a week to 10 days we will be doing a hive inspection to see how everybody is doing, and we will check the queen cage at that time to see if she's made it out, and if she hasn't, that's when we might clear the way for her. But most of the time these things take care of themselves. On the other end is just another piece of cork, and what they do is they put the queen and her attendants in through that hole after the candy has been placed in and the screening has been put on, and then they cork it up. So as you can see, they're moving around, they're flapping their wings. The wings is to try to stay cool, and that's about it for the queen cage. I will show you more later on today. We're just going to wait for the temperatures to get up a little bit higher before we put her in there. And stay tuned.
Hi everybody, I'm back. As you can see, the bees are very, very healthy. They're flying around. I'm going to do this as quickly as possible. I am very, very nervous here, but no bees are bothering me. They're not trying to crawl up my clothes or anything. I'm just trying not to hurt them. What I forgot to do is spray them with water, so I'm going to try to do that now. Come on, babies. The buzzing is still getting to me. Okay, the queen's installed. Bees are definitely active, and that'll be the end of my tape for now. Hope you enjoyed it. Of course, I made a few accidents along the way, but so far there's no stings, and the new queen is installed in her hive.
And here is the old dead queen. You can see her little body in there. So sorry, little girl. But she did not have any attendants in her cage. And you can see the bees started drawing on the queen cage with honey starter comb while it was in the package. You can see it there. So that's what the old queen looked like. And the new queen is installed. Please stay tuned for more adventures